Hey friends, it's Courtney. Welcome back to my channel, Phyrra, where I talk about cruelty-free beauty, gothic fashion, mental health, and lifestyle. If these are things you're interested in talking about, be sure to click subscribe and join in the conversation. So today's video is going to be a personal life update. So let me see. Since I last spoke to you, I've dyed my hair. I added a teal section right here, or a teal blue section right here rather, and then I added a green section right here, and I really amped up the purple in the rest of my hair, and obviously I darkened my roots. So I've been doing my own hair. Since going into quarantine, I started learning how to do my own nails. I'm now doing my own hard gel nail fills using full tips, and I've been practicing to master that. Right now I'm using ORLY's Builder in a Bottle, and then the APRES natural short stiletto tips because I like my stiletto nails. I am still job hunting. The last day at my job was July 31st, and so I've been looking for a new position since like April, since I found out I was going to be losing my job because of COVID. And haven't had any luck in that department, but I'm not giving up. I keep applying to jobs. I keep looking. I keep reaching out to my networks and connections. And it's just a hard time to be looking for a job right now because there are like 33 million Americans also out of work. Maybe about a month and a half ago now, I started doing these things called the Miracle Mornings with Dave. And it's basically where I get up an extra hour early, which if you know me, I'm not a morning person. I don't like getting up early. And getting up an extra hour early, I was like, why are we doing this? But I'm so glad I started doing it because it's helped me to reclaim a little bit of my sanity. It's basically, I'll put a link to my blog post on it so you can see it in more detail, but it's basically where we get up and we meditate, and then we visualize, and we do affirmations, and we do Tai Chi, and we do some reading, and then we do some writing. I do my gratitude journaling, which I'm still going strong with gratitude journaling every day, and that's probably why I'm staying sane, because gratitude journaling, I swear, it makes a huge difference in your outlook on life. If you want to know how to get started with gratitude journaling, click up here because I have a video all about it. Yeah, so I've been doing Tai Chi. I started doing more regular workouts because I'd been having to take it easy because of my shoulders. My right shoulder is finally fine. My left shoulder is still giving me a little bit of fits, but I'm to the point that I think I can actually use my rowing machine again, so yay! Other than that, I'm trying to refinance my house, which is stressful because I'd rather not lose it. And still going through divorce, really painful, don't want to talk about it. My beautiful doggies right behind me on the bed are wonderful, and they keep me sane, and I get to hug them all the time. They are, I'm an introvert, but I still like to hug my friends, and since I can't see any of my friends, I've been staying home since March 14th, and it's now September 1st when I'm recording this. So, yeah, even an introvert after a while gets a little bit tired of staying inside all the time. I miss my friends. I miss being able to hug people. Yeah, I've started doing a couple things, social distancing. So like basically every other week I do leave the house to go to the grocery store, but that's it. The only other time I've left my house since March 14th has been to take the girls to the vet or for my own medical issues. I was trying to figure out like what's a way I can see my friends, interact safely, and so I've started trying to do like social distance events. And this is where I go to my closest friend's house, who's a group of 4 people, and we wear our masks and we sit outside and we let the dogs play together, and we order takeout or we bring our own food and come over when we go over there and we hang out. And so I've done that twice now. So I think that's been good. One weekend, one of Dave's best friends, Carrie, came over and hung out with us with his dog too, which was really nice. Again, we wore masks, we stayed over 6 feet apart, and we let the dogs play together. And so I've been comfortable only doing that. Those are the only 2 situations I've done so far where I've seen people, but I really, really miss people. I miss seeing, Mickey, I miss seeing Natty and Jenny, I miss seeing Nick, I miss being able to freaking hug them. Yeah, I really wish that the USA would get its act together so that people didn't have to continue to stay home in quarantine. I realized that I'm not going to be going to any Halloween parties this year, so I'm going to have to throw my own Halloween party for me and Dave and the dogs in the house, and that's what I'm going to do because I'm not going to give up my favorite holiday. I realized I'm not going to be able to see my parents for Thanksgiving, which really makes me sad, but I'll live. I've had like 4 or 5 trips so far this year that have been canceled because of what's going on in the US. So I've missed a trip to LA, I've missed a trip to New York, I've missed a trip to Las Vegas, and I've missed a trip to St. Louis. So I've mourned the losses of those, but I feel like it's in the interest of the greater good for me to continue to stay home, and when I do leave my house to wear a mask and to only leave my house when absolutely necessary. So yeah, that's where I'm at. I'm still going to therapy, obviously. I don't think I could survive right now without therapy with all of the things in my life that are out of my control. And that's another thing. Because there is so much in my life that's volatile and out of control right now, I'm having to really, really work on practicing letting go and being okay with the things that I can't control and can't change, and just focus on the things I can. That's what's been going on with me in my life. I know it sounds a little dire, but believe it or not, I'm trying to stay positive and optimistic, like I mentioned. Gratitude journaling is helping me do that. The miracle morning is helping me do that. My dogs are helping me do that. Dave is helping me do that. I'm still staying connected to my friends online, and mostly the way I do that is either we do Zoom Hangouts, or we do Marco Polo, or we do Facebook Live, or sorry, not Facebook Live, but Facebook video chat, or like Google's video chat. I do all of those things to stay in contact with people. And also I'm on Discord with my guild and WoW and stuff. And that's another thing. I am really looking forward to the Shadowlands expansion to come out for WoW. I wish it would get out sooner because I'd like to be playing it now. I kind of haven't logged into WoW to play for maybe 2 weeks or so. Basically, I unlocked Flight. I unlocked all of the races I was going to bother to unlock, and then I was like, yeah, I think I need a break because I don't really feel like doing anything else. I played a lot of Diablo for a while. I'm probably going to go back and play the next Path of Exile League that's coming out, which looks really good. Other than that, I haven't been doing too much with gaming because I've had to be real careful with my shoulders, so I haven't been able to do Beat Saber or Synth Rider or Super Hot right now. I did try playing a game called High Rise on my phone for a while, which was basically like a little dress-up game that was really cute. I wanted to play Viva Pinata so bad. I got Dave to install it on the Xbox that we have so I can play it on there on occasion, and I've been doing that because I really liked playing that game. I wish that they would put Viva Pinata on Steam because I would totally play it on Steam. I did try a couple other games on Steam that were supposed to be like Viva Pinata, like Stardew Valley, and I wasn't really able to get into that. Everybody keeps telling me I need to buy Animal Crossing and download that, so I may do that soon. But yeah, that's what's been going on with me. What's been going on with you? Be sure to tell me in the comments below. Yeah, I've really missed you all so much, my friends. I love you. I'm sorry I've been gone. I've been taking time away from YouTube basically for my own sanity, and I've been trying to blog, so I have been blogging, but it's been very sporadic. So I will try to be better about it. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you're thinking, if you miss me, if there's anything you want to see. If you're wondering what to watch next, check over here because I'm going to suggest something awesome just for you. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this. Love you. Bye.